Hello guys, and welcome to Smart Money Concepts channel. So I'll be starting a price action trading series on this video. So if you're a struggling trader or you've been in the markets for very long but you don't have an edge in the markets, I'll be sharing my trading strategy. So in this video, I'll show you how to open a trading account on Deriv, which is the broker that I'll be using. That's the one I use to trade synthetic indices, or for those ones who trade currencies. They are all available on this broker. So on this video, I'll attach my link in the bio to this video. So once you click on my link, it will take you directly to this page, and then you need to create an account by entering your email address, and then, or you can sign up with Facebook, or those ones using Apple, you can sign up with Apple. Because I already have an account, so once you create an account, you'll be taken to Once you create an account and log in, you'll be taken to this page, which is the Traders Hub. So this is the page where you need to create now your trading account. So if you are still new in the Forex space, you do not need to create a real account. So you need to create a demo by clicking here on the Traders Hub. You can see it's showing demo or real. So if you are ready to go live, you can create a real account. And then if you are still trying to get a strategy, you need to create a demo account. And then on the accounts, you need to get the swap free trading account, because on this account the costs are so small, and then also you won't be charged on placing trades overnight. And then if you're using a laptop, to download the MT5 trading platform, you basically have to go to Google and type in MT5 trading platform. Yes, go to Google, type in Deriv MT5, and then click on that link. That one will take you straight to the Deriv main page. So once you go to the main page, you need to go on platforms. So click on the drop down the platforms, and then select the Deriv MT5 platform. And then once you download the MT5 platform, this is how the app looks like. So once you get your details, when you create an account, you'll be provided with details. So click on login trade account, and then this menu will pop up, and then put in your login details and your password you created, and then the server, select the server that you're provided with. And then if you're using a phone, you need to go to Play Store and then download MT5. And then I'll put the screenshots in the video, and then I'll show you how to search for the broker, and then you can enter the details and begin trading. So that is all for this video. I will see you in the next video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.